Hail 2015.
Oh, look at some of these. Some of these are pretty good size. We're getting pelted.
Wow, look, they're getting bigger.
Our balcony.
Look at some of them.
They're hitting the chair inside behind me. You want some ice, Blue?
No way, man!
Oh, get that. Look. Get out there.
Man. It'll be gone. It's hailing. This is to step out our back porch. That's our balcony. It's blowing so hard it's blowing off of the balcony. Into the house. Don't tell Liz. Ow!
Whoa.
Ow! Ow!
Oh my God.
That one hit me.
Look at that.
That thing hit me. Whoa.
Oh, there's a big one right there. Look at that.
Man. Go get some ice. You want some ice, Blue?
Maybe we should